right, so today we are at Kin Dam. So Kin Dam's just up the river a little bit. We came down the river, and there's a lot of birds. So you focus mainly on video.
Yeah, I got some video. I did some photo also,
Okay.
but yeah, the sun is too harsh for like the bird. Was that the black-winged seal? Because there's white. It's really hard to expose.
Yeah, so I focus mostly on just photos. So if there's blurry photos, those are mine, and if they're
Shaky video. That's mine.
so there's a lot of different birds here today.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of water, a lot of rice fields,
Mm-hmm.
which the birds love. So
Yeah.
I came here late. He showed up on time. I came here late.
Kind of. Yeah.
Yeah,
So yeah.
busted.
Busted. It's so hot now. It's only 8 o'clock. It's too hot. So hot.
I'm gonna go slow. Is that a swallow?
Mm-hmm. Too far.
It's open, like immature. Kawaii. Nice one.
Nice butt shot.
It's looking. This is not a butt. I'll actually go fly my drone.
Mm-hmm.
I brought the Mini today.
Oh, perfect.
The 4 Pro Mini.
Uh-huh.
It won't move.
You move.
Seriously,
The sensor?
it won't move.
How about do it manually?
Nah. I'm not telling it to go up.
That's good.
What are you doing?
Playing with toy.
Toy?